What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here. Today I want to talk a little bit about my use of the Speedway MotorSport shelters. You've seen these in quite a few of my videos, the installation, the time lapse, and all that fun stuff. These are perfect places to store your vehicles when you need extra protection. In Arizona, our garage is pretty small and I had to park the bikes outside, and I need to protect them from UV sunshine because Arizona is murderous on vehicles. Here, we live near the beach. And every single night we get mist that falls down on the vehicles and they get soaked with salt water. So I have the Speedway MotorSport shelter that I'm able to pull down over these bikes every time I roll in. Don't have to worry about the pipes cooling down, don't have to worry about anything. Just roll them in, throw them on the center stand, and pull this cover down, and we are dialed. Now, the kids also needed a place to park all of their vehicles. So if we come on over here, I think Harper's going to show you her Speedway MotorSport shelter. So, while they're great for motorcycles, they're also great for anything that you have to store. Here we have scooters and bicycles and electric Stasics and helmet storage and just everything that we would possibly use to ride around the neighborhood on, right?
Yeah.
Now, the neat part about these shelters is they are steel frame. So there's a steel frame that the cover then attaches to, and that allows you to be able to have quick access just like this for anything that you're storing or any vehicle that you have under the cover. Now what we have here is a UV protectant cover. In Arizona, this unit right here was not covered. You can see that it is significantly faded. Right here is a really good example. It used to be a dark blue like this, but the Arizona sun faded this one to kind of a purpley color. And then this here is the UV protecting cover that you can put on over the top that allows your unit to be able to resist the penetration from the UV rays. Now, a couple other things about these shelters is when it is windy, you need to tether them down. So here on this one, we've got a tether here at the front and a tether here at the back. They just go down to stakes that are provided. And that allows you to keep this thing from blowing around when it's super windy. There's also provisions where you can actually drill into the ground and stake it down at each of the corners as well. And then here we have our vent. So we just roll this guy up, pin it open, and that's going to allow the shelter to not be hot on the inside. It's going to allow venting to happen so you're not going to get condensation and things of that nature inside the Speedway MotorSport shelter. But I just want to show you, these things are amazing. They're relatively inexpensive if you think about what you're getting for this. The average storage unit in the local area is like $250 a month for a storage unit about this size. So in about 2 months, 3 months, you'd have this thing completely paid for. And as you can see, I use it for more than just parking 2 large adventure bikes. You have a bunch of tires in here, tarps and gas cans and chairs and oil and all kinds of fun stuff like that. But yeah, this is it. Speedway MotorSport shelters. There's going to be a link in the video description. If you're interested in picking one of these up, I highly recommend you click that link. You get a discount and we'll get a little bit of kickback. But these are them. Speedway MotorSport shelters. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out. Anyway.